पड़ोसी ममालिक को बता दिया था अमरीका ने हमला किया तो खित्ते में मौजूद तमाम अमरीकी अड्डे हमारा हदफ होंगे। नायब ईरानी वजीर खारजा मजीद तख्त रवांची ने कहा, जब तक जरूरत होगी दिफाई कार्रवाइयां जारी रहेंगी। अमरीका और इसराइल समझते थे 24 से 48 घंटों में ईरानी निजाम बिखर जाएगा। अब दुश्मन भी जान चुका है कि ईरान का निजाम अपने पांव पर मजबूती से खड़ा है।
The war started on different occasions. We informed our neighbors that if America is engaged in aggression against Iran, all the U.S. assets and all the U.S. bases are legitimate targets for Iran. Because we are acting in self-defense. We continue to act in self-defense as long as it is necessary. You know, we want to see the end of the war. We want to see that war is not going to be imposed again on Iran. We do not want to be treated like this again in the future. You know, we have been approached by friendly countries, you know, telling us their desire to be of help and assistance in this respect. We are telling them that we want the ceasefire to be part of, you know, an overall formula for ending the war. The Americans and the Israelis felt that in a matter of 24 or 48 hours, the whole system would collapse. And that was not the case. So the enemy is aware that this system is strong enough to stand on its feet